The titanium iPhone 15 Pro, built with an aerospace-grade material, a new level of mobile gaming power, and a camera that can literally shoot a blockbuster film.
Wait, what? A titanium gaming powerhouse movie camera phone? Is that even a thing?
Yes, it is definitely a thing. Titanium. The same material used in spacecraft design makes iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max our lightest Pro models ever. Titanium's unique properties give it one of the highest strength-to-weight ratios of any metal.
Which basically means it's light enough to get up into space and strong enough to make it all the way back to Earth. Oops.
The new design comes in 4 Pro finishes and now includes a USB-C connector with super fast transfer speeds. And there's a customizable action button for quicker access to your favorite feature, from opening the camera to activating a shortcut. iPhone 15 Pro gets a major performance upgrade from the A17 Pro chip. With a new 6-core GPU and a faster neural engine, it becomes a ridiculously powerful mobile gaming machine, enabling higher quality graphics and rich, immersive game worlds never seen before on a smartphone.
Whoa, these graphics bring out every beautiful, disgusting detail.
It's truly horrifying.
It's a new chapter in performance for iPhone and a new era of mobile gaming for the world. For photography, the new Pro camera system pushes the limits of what you can capture with a smartphone. It's like having 7 Pro lenses at the ready, ranging from 13mm focal length on the ultra-wide camera to 120mm on the new 5x telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Tell her to take 4 steps to the left, please.
The Pro Max gets iPhone's longest optical zoom ever, using a first-of-its-kind tetraprism design.
It's like having a huge telephoto lens, but it's just in there.
And the more advanced 48-megapixel main camera brings super high resolution to photos, which can now be turned into a portrait after you've shot, with an adjustable focus point for an all-new level of control.
That's better.
And when it comes to filmmaking, it's now possible to record directly to an external drive, enabling iPhone 15 Pro to shoot in ProRes 4K at 60 frames per second.
So the camera captures every detail of this.
With up to 20 times faster transfers enabled by USB 3 and support for Pro formats, the workflow between shooting and post-production is massively improved.
So I can take that footage and do this, and voila, cinema.
A little less magenta.
She's right.
Whether big movies or everyday videos, professional-level filmmaking is in the palm of your hand. So yes, a movie-making, high-res shot-taking, gaming powerhouse built with aerospace-grade titanium, iPhone 15 Pro is the most powerful iPhone ever made.
Boom.